I do once again apologize to the people that lost loved ones, friends or family. I went to go see victims in Vanderbilt Hospital that were in critical condition that are now in stable condition. They all remember me, but I want you all to know, and I'll say this again, I'm a genuine person. I didn't actually do it to save people. I did it just to save my life. In me saving lives, I saved other lives. So that's probably one of the greatest things I think you could do. So that's all I have to say.
Mr. McMurray, you are recognized.
Thank you. This man right here is not only a hero to many, but he's a best friend to me. You know, when you hear shots, very loud, bolstering shots very close to you, and you can feel the wind off the bullets going past you, you don't really have time to think. I talked to our general manager in my bank, and we have active shooter training. And they tell you that the first thing you're supposed to do is run. If you can't run, then you hide. And then if you can't hide, you fight. We ran. We tried to get through the back door, and then I told people to jump into the bathrooms and lock the doors. I mean, there was no other way to go back out but towards the shooter. So I thought by saying that at the time, that was the only way I could save my life. And by pushing other people in the bathroom to clear the hallway. But he sometimes doesn't listen to me. And this is by far the best time that you've never listened to me, and I appreciate that. He's a best friend. He's a great man. You can see he's very humble. And I'm very thankful for you. I'm thankful to my parents for raising me. They're like a second set of parents to me. And I'm just glad that I got to go home and see my wife and my son, and also his daughter, who is my goddaughter. It is, you know, God put you in certain places for a reason, and if we would have never left that Bell Road Waffle House and went to the Murfreesboro, and we wouldn't be standing here, and a lot of other people probably wouldn't be either. So I thank God for that, and I thank you guys for recognizing us. And like we keep saying, we did it to try to save ourselves. And I'm just glad that there are more people on the earth today than there may have not been the other day. So thank you.
Did you want to make a comment?
Representative Gilmore.
Thank you, Madam Speaker, and I appreciate your indulgence. If we could let Mr. James Shaw Sr. make some comments, Madam Speaker.
Mr. Shaw Sr., you're recognized.
Madam Speaker, and the rest of the General Assembly, we are the Shaws of honor and very thankful that y'all took time from your busy schedule to honor my son and my godson. I am standing here to say, on behalf of my wife, Karen, my daughter, I have another one here somewhere, Renee, my other daughter, that we have been bombarded with every news media in the country. But I want you to know the people of Tennessee have been so kind and so helpful. And that's all I have to say, Madam.
Representative Gilmore.
So, Madam Speaker, if we have completed everything legislatively, we'd like to ask you to come down and to join us for a photo, please.